If you're looking for the best lip scrubs, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Handmade Heroes Ultra Sexy Scrub. Handmade Heroes Ultra Sexy Scrub is a 100% natural lip exfoliator for dry lips. This handcrafted lip scrub is made with real coconuts. It is formulated with avocado oil that provides long-lasting protection and moisture to keep your lips smooth and supple. It also contains jojoba oil that soothes dry and chapped lips and sweet almond oil that smoothens and rehydrates your lips. It also provides gentle exfoliation with coconut and sugar before you use a lip mask overnight. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with Haneli Sugar Lip Scrub. Haneli Sugar Lip Scrub is a moisturizing lip scrub exfoliator. This lip scrub contains Hawaiian sugar cane that gently exfoliates dead, dry skin while smoothing and brightening your lips' appearance. Shea butter moisturizes your lips, leaving them feeling silky smooth. Pure Hawaiian kukui oil relieves dryness and helps restore hydration. The number 3 position is held by Sara Hapa Lip Scrub. Sara Hapa Lip Scrub is a natural lip color enhancing scrub. It is enriched with grapefruit oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and sugar crystals that eliminate dry and flaky skin, leaving your lips soft and supple. This pink grapefruit scrub enhances your lip color and reduces dullness. The nourishing jojoba and sweet almond oils in it hydrate and heal your lips. Next, at number 4, we have Diva Stuff Ultra Hydrating Lip Scrub. Diva Stuff Ultra Hydrating Lip Scrub is an edible lip scrub. It is made with natural oils and butter that prevent dryness and cracking of your lips. This delicious lip scrub removes dead skin cells and imparts a healthy glow to your lips. It is blended with castor jelly, vegetable jelly, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and other natural ingredients that gently exfoliate, lighten, and heal your lips from within. It also restores your original lip color and hydrates your lips. The number 5 position is held by Burt's Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub. Burt's Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub is a 100% natural lip scrub. It is enriched with beeswax and exotic oils that condition and hydrate your lips. It also contains honey crystals, castor oil, and cocoa seed butter that buff away dry skin and nourish and smoothen your lips. This overnight intensive treatment gently exfoliates dry lips and smoothens them for flawless lipstick application. The number 6 position is dominated by Beauty by Earth Vanilla Lip Scrub. Beauty by Earth Vanilla Lip Scrub is an organic sugar scrub. This lip exfoliator clears away dead skin cells and nourishes your lips with organic oils and extracts. It is infused with jojoba oil, coconut oil, and certified fair trade sugar that leaves your lips smooth. This lip scrub is available in vanilla, refreshing mint, and delicious berry flavors. Moving on to the next, at number 7 with Bellavita Organic NicoLips Lip Lightening Scrub Balm. Bellavita Organic NicoLips Lip Lightening Scrub Balm is a mild lip balm scrub that is meant for brightening dark lips. It gently scrubs away dead skin cells and helps restore the natural color of your lips. It is also effective in fading nicotine stains, healing chapped lips, and keeping them soft and supple. It contains shea butter, olive oil, rosehip oil, wheat germ oil, vitamin E, and other natural ingredients that restore the color of your lips with continuous use. The oat grit in it helps remove dark stains from your lips, while the pure aloe vera lighten the lip color. This lip scrub suits all skin types and genders. The number 8 position is held by Beauty Treats Lip Scrub. Beauty Treats Lip Scrub is an antioxidant-rich lip scrub. It is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants that exfoliate and moisturize your lips. The finely ground walnut shells in this lip scrub gently remove dead skin, leaving your lips feeling soft and supple. This lip scrub is available in 4 different flavors: almond, vanilla bean, wild apple, and dark cherry. Next, at number 9, we have Chapstick Total Hydration Natural Lip Scrub. Chapstick Total Hydration Natural Lip Scrub is a conditioning lip scrub. It instantly exfoliates and smoothens your lips. This conditioning lip scrub is made with maracuja and coconut oils, natural sugar crystals, and vitamin E that provide total hydration to the lips. It features a sweet sugar plum flavor that refreshes your senses. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Tree Hut Sugar Lips Brown Sugar Lip Scrub. Tree Hut Sugar Lips Brown Sugar Lip Scrub is an ultra-hydrating lip exfoliator. It is a 2-in-1 lip polishing and ultra-hydrating leave-on formula for dry, cracked lips. This raw sugar scrub gently polishes your lips, while the organic shea butter in it boosts collagen production and prevents drying. Jojoba oil hydrates and soothes your lips. Also, vanilla fruit extract adds a delicious vanilla flavor to this scrub. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.